we got Secret Songbirds, and we also got Sparkles, my dancing unicorn, and we got this one. It's a surprise dragon crystal cage. First, we're gonna do the Secret Songbirds. I'm so excited. And we got Dreamy Genie. That's the name. It says on the side. We're gonna move these. So here she is. Oh, and she's in her cage. Look, there's a key here. But you can just open it, see? And guess what? You can take this anywhere, see? You can just hold in this. And this is such a cute cage. And you can also come like here. But it's better if you open it. And look, she got a food tray. And you could also put water on the other side. You can move it, see? You can take it out. There. And guess what? So since this is like a secret one, you can keep your secrets. Let's take it out. So this is the perch, and you can fit 2 birds there. And like here's the bottom, and here's the back. I like the back. It's blue and pretty. And this is the secret key. It says it's like the name Genie, and on its side there's like a genie lamp. The key is like a genie lamp too. So here she is. She's so cute. So here. So it will repeat what I say if you hold the button. Okay. You are so cute. I like singing a lot. And it can keep your secrets too. That's what this key is for. If you want to say your secrets, you have to put it in this hole. And then you can talk. And then you press it. It's like the same thing. Hello. Let it work. Wait. Hello? It will keep the record after each one. It will only keep one at a time. Oh, so cute. So fuzzy too. And look at the wings. It's purple. You can also kind of move it. And just look at the feet. They're like the same color. The mouth moves. You can pat it. I like how soft it is. I am amazing. Oh yeah, sometimes it says that. Yeah, that was so nice. Okay, let's put you back in here. Just put the back of the feet there. There. I'm gonna put it right there. And then you can close it. And boom. There she is. So nice. Wow. Let's move on to the next one. We got Sparkles, my dancing unicorn. So here she is, and she's been already making some sounds. Look at her hair, her mane. It's like purple, there's pink, there's even some like light purple and white. And look at her fur. And her horn is changing different colors. And look at these designs here. And the tail's so curly and poofy and so cute. So I want to feed her first so she'll have energy. She got this cupcake and it has a little crown and I love the colors. So let's make sure. She's eating. She's eating. You hear that? She's like chewing. And her horn turns green. Okay. And we also got this brush. See, it's like hearts with a crown. You can brush. And also her tail, but I like her tail. Ooh, okay, so let's try to make her trot. Look, just like pet the middle of her back. See, she's like trotting. If you keep on doing it, she'll eventually start dancing. Ooh. That's nice. Ooh. Ooh, that sound. I think she's dancing. Yeah, she was dancing. Let's move her back. And you can pet her. There's a petting sensor here, so it's the heart. So if you like, her horn will turn red, and her head will turn towards my finger or like your hand. See? And we also got a button here, and it will make her horn change to different colors. See? Isn't that cool? It's so pretty! And that sound. I like it. That sound is so cool! Oh wow. And unicorns are so magical. Wow! I didn't know I would do that. Yeah, cupcake. Let's feed it a little more. She's been so good. She loves it. Yay, she's all happy. But now it's time for the next one. Let's move you over here next to Dreamy Genie. The last one, we got the surprise dragon, Crystal Cage, and I really am gonna try to get the special edition Ruby Dragon. This one's also cute. On the side, the name is Dreambow. I wanna try to get those too. But there could be others, but look at this. Oh, this is so exciting. It also has a cage. Oh, it's like the bird, see? This is gonna be so exciting! Okay, so here it is, the crystal cage and the dragon egg inside. So here's the crystals on the top, and it also says Little Life Pets. There's also a place where you can hold it. It's like the bird cage. Woo! Okay, so it says that you need to take it out first. See? Okay. And there's also a ramp, so I think you have to. Ooh, it's coming. It says that when it will hatch, it will go down the ramp. Like, whew. So there's gonna be a tab right here. Take that out. And then there's also tape. It's already done. It's already on. So we'll have to wait. It sounds so cute! Oh no. It's cracking. It will open soon. That's... what is it gonna come? Oh my god! It didn't come out. Oh my! Oh my! That is so cute, but that is so scary. It's flapping its wings. It's trying to fly. I got Dreambow. I was trying to get this one. Ah! Oh, that's so... No, other. Yeah. So cute. Oh, it's flapping its wings. Oh, what? Wow. Guess what? If you can make it hatch again. I'm going to try it. So, it says to leave it on. So, we're going to try this. We have to put it back like how it was, all the way back. No, no, no! And then bring the body all the way down. And then close it. Yeah, it's working! Yeah, it's gonna scare me again. But it's cool, the egg has like scales. It still scares me! It's cute though! That egg scares me. Has little wings in the back. Isn't that cute? It's so loud. Its little wings are so cute and tiny. It's like a cloud and then rainbow hair thingy in its front. See, look, like, yeah, see on its forehead. It's standing! I like this. I'm gonna take them out. Oh! Wrong way. No, 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 no. This way. Oh, no, no, no. And Barty. They're loud. Let's see where the dragon goes. Where Dreambow goes. Oh. Keep on going, Sparkles. Dreambow really doesn't know where she's going. There! Oh! That's cute. It snores. No? Oh, it's awake. Wow. They're all so cute! It's loud. I really like this. I love the unicorn and its sounds. Isn't that nice? And the birdie, the genie, and its cage with the key, the secret key, and it can like you can just talk to it. And it will kind of respond, but it will just say what you said. And I really like the dragon, even though it kept on scaring me. I like it, and like, look, it's so cute. It moves its wings, it hops. We got Dreambow, look, Rainbow. I was hoping to get Dreambow, but I was also hoping to get the special edition. It's the ruby one. I thought I would get the ruby because there's like the gem on the egg. It looked like a ruby to me. This was so fun. I love all of these. I would get more, but no, not now. Thank you guys for watching. Now go subscribe also for more videos. And don't forget forget to subscribe button down below. Yay!